Let's take a moment to turn within and get centered and still. We give thanks for this time of prayer together and for the presence of God in our lives. We allow God's peace and love to fill our awareness now. God's powerful healing presence touches every atom of your body and every part of your spirit, calling forth radiant wholeness. Mighty currents of God's healing love flow through you now, renewing and restoring you to health, making you whole and well. The healing life of God within gives you strength, heals your body temple, and brings you peace. And we give thanks that God's living, loving, healing life is working in and through you now, blessing you and bringing forth the highest good.